OnePlus has made yet another version of its flagship phone, and this time it teamed up with supercar maker McLaren. The OnePlus 6T McLaren edition is like the race car of phones, with its snazzy orange stripe, super fast charging, and most importantly, 10 gigs of RAM. Suffice to say, this will definitely meet your need for speed. The original 6T came with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, which was already pretty generous for its $550 price. But 10 gigs turns it into an absolute multitasking beast. And the Snapdragon 845 inside is no slouch, regardless of how much memory there is. The new phone also comes with OnePlus's latest fast charging tech called Warp Charge 30, which promises to get you a day of power in just 20 minutes. You'll have to use the proprietary cable, of course, but hey, McLaren fans might be happy to lug it around anyway, since it comes in the car company's signature papaya orange color. The phone itself also sports an orange stripe along the bottom edge that kinda looks like it glows when it catches the light. Other McLaren-y touches include its logo on the bottom and a subtle dot pattern under the glass back that resembles the company's trademark carbon fiber. True McLaren fans will find even more goodies in the phone's packaging. OnePlus includes a Speedmark logo encased in glass, made out of the same F1 AA grade carbon fiber that's in the company's Formula One car. And you'll also find a booklet that offers bonus videos when you use the McLaren AR app. The McLaren 6T offers mostly modest improvements for $699, but Formula One fans will get a kick out of the McLaren bonuses. Plus, it's one of the first phones with that much RAM. It'll be available in North America, Europe, and India starting December 13th, so get ready to hand over your cash. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.